Hello everyone, welcome to Keshav Ganit classes. I'm going to tell you about the polynomials. Earlier also we have discussed. So today I'm going to give you the recap of the basic terms before we start with polynomials. That is expression, equation and identity. And it is very important you all should know how to differentiate among these three definitions. Expression. What is an expression? Expression is a combination of numbers, variables and mathematical operators. Fine. Mathematical operators can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The most important thing which you have to keep in mind, which you have to remember, that expression में equals to sign नहीं आता है. Expression do not include an equal to sign. Example, if we take 4 plus 5, it's simply I have taken the numerical expression. It can be written as 9 also. That is also an expression only. Next one is polynomial expression, x square minus 4x plus 7. So these are two examples which I took. You can take any other, but the important thing is equals to sign should not be there. Now what is the difference between expression and equation is only that it includes an equals to sign. It is a mathematical statement that which shows that two expressions are equal. That creates the equality between the two expressions. Always include an equals to sign. X plus 2 is equals to 0. Now if I talk about what is the purpose, what is the need of this equation, what it gives you, it gives me the value of x, it gives me the values of variables that make this equality true. So if I need the value of x from this, what I'll get? X is equals to minus 2. By substituting this minus 2 in LHS, what we get? LHS is equals to RHS. So this value of x, this value variable x, what it is doing, it is making this equality true. So the purpose of an equation is to find the values of variables that make the equality true. After equation, now we switch to identity. Identity is also an equation only, dear. Identity is an equation that is true. जो सही होती है हमेशा for all values of variables which are involved in that. That is an identity, algebraic identity which we study. For example, if I write the identity a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This identity is true, is absolutely correct for all the values of a.